Hi friends, welcome back to yet another episode of Cook, Eat and Fun. Today I will be sharing a very simple chicken biryani recipe. Let's have a look at the ingredients. First we marinate the chicken. For that I have taken 1.5 kilo of chicken. To the chicken, let's add 1 tablespoon of lime juice, then salt, two tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, then green chilli paste, 4 to 5 pieces I have taken, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chilli powder, then 1 tablespoon of biryani masala, 3 tablespoons of yogurt or curd. Now let's mix it nicely. Next we need to prepare and marinate it for nearly 1 hour. By the time, let's make the other preparations. We need to make a paste of coriander and mint leaves, also cashews and almonds. Cashews and almond paste is optional. It gives a rich gravy. So let's keep it ready. In a chutney jar, put the leaves. Adding little water can make a paste. The same way the cashews and almonds. I have taken around 10 cashews and 5 almonds. Now let's start preparing the masala. For that, heat a thick bottom pan and add 3-4 tablespoons of ghee. First I fry the cashews and raisins. Let's keep it aside. And now I'm adding the marinated chicken. Then around 1 cup of fried onions. You can keep it ready in advance so that the previous day also you can fry the onions and keep it ready, so that the next day when you prepare the biryani, it will ease your work. Now I'm adding coriander and mint leaves paste. Now let's cover the lid and allow it to cook. The chicken is almost cooked. To this I'm adding almond and cashew paste, and this step is optional. So let the masala cook. By the time I prepare the rice. So here I am using a cooker to cook the rice. You can follow any method. So to the water I am adding all the garam masala, whole garam masala and salt. And here also half a tablespoon of lemon juice. I have taken 3¼ cup of water for 2½ cup of rice, basmati rice, and add some mint leaves and close the lid. And no need to wait for the cooker to whistle. Few seconds before it whistle, I turn off the stove. Open it after 15 minutes. You can see that the rice is cooked perfectly. Now it may look a bit sticky, but don't worry. Keep it open. And also I'm adding 2-3 tablespoons of ghee. So the final process is to keep the biryani for dum. For that, again I have taken a thick bottom pan. Then in the pot, first spread the chicken masala. Then a layer of rice. Then saffron water. Let's sprinkle the fried onions. And mint leaves and coriander leaves finely chopped. Now the second layer of masala, and also the second layer of rice. Now you can see that the rice is not at all sticky or mushy. Again, repeat the process. Sprinkle the fried onions, cashews and raisins, and finely chopped mint and coriander leaves. Close the lid and keep it on the preheated tawa for around 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, you can open the lid. Very simple but tasty and flavorful chicken biryani is ready. You can serve it hot with your favorite raita or any other kind of side dish. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Anyone can try this recipe. I hope all of you will try, and please let me know your feedback. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.